How to share health data between iPhones. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. So basically, you of course need to open up the health app, of course, first, and then simply go to the sharing section. Here you have two options. So basically share with someone or ask someone to share to you, basically. So here you can see health sharing, you're in control, dashboard and notification, private and secure. So you can read all of this through if you want to double check how it works. But basically you want to click on share with someone, and all you basically want to do here is simply search for your contact's name. So basically, if you search for, let's say, your mom's name or your dad's name or your friend's name or your brother's name or your girlfriend's name or your boyfriend's name, then their contact will appear with a phone number. So let's say I were to search for a friend, you can now see that their contact information will appear. And once I click on it, so here you can see health can suggest useful topics to share. So it says, not sure what items can be helpful to share. Health can show you some suggested categories to start with based on data you have available. So you can either set this up manually or see suggested topics. And here you can see the health alerts. You can, for example, turn all of these on, and even, for example, the weight or other stuff as well. Simply click on next. Then you can see a quick overview of what you will be sharing. Then you can also click on a preview, and this is basically what the person will see, just like that. And then you can click on share all the way at the bottom. And via that way, that is how to share health data between iPhones.